Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Yamaha YZF-R6 we're going to show you. We'll take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This 600 class sport bike is in very good condition. As you can see, it's really clean. No rips and tears in the seat. The plastic is still quite shiny. It does have a few scuffs on it. It does have stand spools on it. Along with integrated rear blinkers on the passenger pegs. An aftermarket Yamaha gas cap. Aftermarket grips. This bike also has frame sliders on it with flush mount front blinkers. This also has a blue tinted windshield. And here's a shot of the front tire that's got plenty of mileage left on it. It's in excellent shape. And again on this side, here's that flush mount blinker and frame slider, along with the aftermarket grip and chrome oil or brake fluid cover. Again, here are those rear integrated blinkers into the passenger foot pegs. And spool slider again, spool stand again. And here's a shot of that back tire that's got a lot of life left in it. Excellent shape. And the undertail kit. $19,555 miles on this bike. You can see the integrated blinkers working. And on the left side. This bike has gone through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Also comes with the 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. This bike also has lifetime parts and labor discount. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.